best tourist spot here in Tandag City?
Come and join us to explore the best tourist spot here in Tandag City.
Tara, samahan niyo kami!
Linungaw is a haven place for nature lovers, photographers, and for those seeking serenity.
Come and experience the beauty of Linungaw. Let the rhythm of nature rejuvenate your soul. Visit Linungaw in Tandag City and create unforgettable memories.
Welcome to Tandag City, Surigao del Sur, the capital of Surigao del Sur, where nature, tradition, and flavor come together. Mabuhay Tandag City! Just off the coast lies one of Tandag's best kept secrets, the Linungaw Islets, two stunning rock formations standing side by side, surrounded by crystal clear waters and marine life, perfect for adventure seekers and beach lovers. Head to Tandag City Boulevard, the city favorite place to relax, whether you're catching the golden sunset or enjoying the fresh sea breeze. It's the perfect place to slow down and feel the rhythm of the city. And don't miss Tandag street food scene. From smoky grilled beverages to sweet local treats, every bite is a celebration of culture and community. Mabuhay! Whether you're here for nature face and unforgettable food, Tandag City welcomes you with open arms. Come and discover the soul of Surigao del Sur, Tandag City.
Mabuhay!
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 Mabuhay Tandag City, Surigao del Sur.